Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the search box in Microsoft Word 365 to locate features. Sometimes, it is difficult to remember the tab under which a certain feature or option appears in Microsoft Word, especially those you do not use often. In Microsoft Word 365, you can use the search box that appears in the title bar to search for and immediately access a particular feature. Using the search box to find Microsoft Word 365 features is super simple. Let's see how it is done. Let's say you want to add a page break to your document here, but you're not sure where the option is located. To begin, place your cursor at the location on the page where you want to insert a page break. In the search box, type page break. From this list, select the required option under Best Action, or Actions. Let's select this option under Best Action. And your page break is inserted. And that's it. You're all set. The next time you are looking for a Microsoft Word feature, don't Google it. Just use the search box. Thanks for watching.